Master Aladdin, you must have heard the name. Where are you? Where are you?
Hey, I'm here. This side.
I cannot believe it. I am seeing the genie from the lamp.
Jinn? Is there a jinn here? Oh my goodness. I'm tired of this madness. I am the genie.
Genie, who are you looking for?
I am looking for Malika. Is Malika somewhere around here?
Malika. That means the story was not folklore, it was true.
What kind of story?
I had heard about it in stories. That Malika was the world's most dangerous sorceress who wanted to rule the world. Around 500 years ago, he and Malika fought a war, and he had turned her into a statue of stone. But while transforming into a stone, she turned him into a genie and held him captive in a lamp. What happened?
500 years! Do you know what it means to stay in a lamp for so long? That means the milk that I had kept for boiling must have spilled over, and the clothes that I put for drying must have got stolen by thieves. What will I do now? And what my parents? All my family members?
Everyone leaves us eventually, my friend. Your family members and your friends are no more.
That means I am all alone?
No.
Then who is there for me?
Hereafter, he is your family. Aladdin.
Oh my god. What do you mean?
You rubbed the lamp, right?
Yes.
You freed the genie from it?
Yes, that is what happened.
Then he will obey all your orders. Hereafter, he is your genie, and you are his master.
Command me, my master.
Princess, do you know that this act of yours could taint the honor of His Highness?
Piddi, yes, I found the name of that traitor who is destroying my Baghdad. I found a clue from what the minister said, through which I solved the puzzle of this name.
Who is it, Princess?
His name is Muchhad.
Hail Muchhad! Hail Muchhad! Hail Muchhad! Hail Muchhad! Hail Muchhad! Hail Muchhad! Hail Muchhad!
The names of the rest of the members are also mentioned. And look, their faces match with their names. Like this one, Takla. This one, Mota. And this one, Dukhi Ali. One thing is for sure, that the leader of this gang would definitely have a mustache.
Hail Muchhad! 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 Hail Muchhad!
been protecting this cave since so many years. You must be at least 70 years old. Maybe 60. No matter how old you are, I mean, you are very, very elder to me, very wise. Keep the genie with you. I shall take the lamp. We shall share the responsibility. What say? Give me a high five. You just think about it. The genie will do whatever you say. He will obey all your orders. He will serve you. He will put oil on your hair. He will support you in your old age. Only the old need support. But you are still young. You are a young man, a young lad. Please keep the genie with you.
The genie is yours. You freed him from the lamp.
I'd come here to take the lamp. I'm taking the lamp and leaving the genie behind.
This genie goes with the lamp. The lamp and the genie cannot be separated at any cost. This magical genie is yours now.
That means, whether you admit or not, I'm your guest. Look at him. Look at his plight. Do you see his behavior?
Now what will happen to me? Who will help this blind man?
Give him some time, my boy. As soon as he learns to control his magic, his powers will grow.
But I do not want him.
But others want him. Aladdin, this genie is a gift for you. And a responsibility too. This genie and the lamp were made for the good of this whole world. It is your responsibility to ensure that they don't get into wrong hands.
But I hadn't asked for this responsibility.
Yet God chose you for this work. You are the only one in this world who is worthy of becoming this genie's master, remember. Stop fighting your fate and take this genie home with you. This boy actually turned out to be worthy of the lamp. Rukhsar and I never had a child, but if he had one, I wish he would have been as brave and kind-hearted as this boy.
No, I... Guru! He went away. He's such a brave and kind-hearted person. I wish my dad was like him. People wouldn't have called him a coward. I'd come here to take a lamp for Mom. But now I'm stuck with this magical genie. I'm stuck in this desert with this genie. And my Guru, the guardian of the lamp, has also disappeared. I can't see him anywhere. Now what am I gonna do?
Princess, we have found the mysterious name. But we need to find out what the man with the mustache does.
According to the Black Book, Muchad and his gang are involved in illegal works like gambling, black marketing, and also slave trading.
How can anyone stoop so low for money?
That's what surprises me, Pitti. They aren't doing it just for money.
Then why are they doing all this?
Pitti, do you remember that wheat warehouses had caught fire last year?
Yes, the crops were burned.
Muchad and his gang had set them on fire.
But Princess, why would they want to hurt the common people of Baghdad?
Someone is plotting something against my father and this kingdom, Pitti. But why? And who?
The reason is simple. All I want is to overthrow the just king of Baghdad, King Shah Nawaza. and become the king of Baghdad. It's been 30 years. It's been 30 years I've been ruining this country for 30 years. And now it's time to make the final move. We will lay Baghdad to ruins. We! Last year we had set the wheat warehouses on fire. And this year we are going to do something that will ruin the entire Baghdad. We don't need weapons to kill the common man, am I right? Increase the prices! That will kill them. We'll increase the prices in the markets to such a level that the people will bring loads of money only to take away very little groceries.
Long live Mutchard! Long live Mutchard! Long live Mutchard!
You all know what you have to do. You may go. "20 years ago, by killing the biggest hurdle in my way, which was Omar, I had started a journey to sit on the throne of Baghdad. That journey is soon going to end.
This burning sand, this heat, and this sweat, I've missed all of this.
Oh my god. One problem led to another problem. I was stuck in the cave and now I'm lost in this desert. How will I go back to Baghdad? I don't know what has happened back there to Basanti.
I can help you, Master Aladdin. You must have heard the name.
Oh my god. You were right there.
Now I'm here, and I have heard your wish, and I will definitely help you. Open the door. Open.
No. I don't need your help.
Now it is my job to help you, because you are my life, you are my savior, and you are my god. You are my master. Aladdin, the name heard before.
I'm not your master.
What? My master means the world to me. I will take you to Baghdad definitely. I am your genie. You are my master. Let's go to Baghdad.
Snow? Where have you brought me?
Baghdad? It's very cold here.
But this isn't Baghdad.
What?
You brought me somewhere on the top of a snowy mountain.
Look, don't worry. I will try again. I am your genie. You are my master. Let's go to Baghdad. What? There's a flood in Baghdad?
This isn't Baghdad, you idiot. Listen, try this magic. You use your magic in an
What do you
opposite
mean?
way. Do what I say.
Okay. Let's go to Baghdad. You are my genie. I'm your master.
I'm alive. I'm safe. I'm alive. Yes. I'm alive.
I made you happy. Oh my goodness, I'm tired of this madness. Oh my goodness, I'm tired of this madness. Wait, I will do something to make you happy.
No. You don't have to do anything. I'll walk to Baghdad on my own.
By walking?
Yes.
I haven't walked for 500 years. It is going to be fun. Look at the fire. Someone douse the fire at least. Hey, look at this fire. There's fire.
There's fire.
There's fire.
Let go of me! Leave me!
Rukhsar!
I have been waiting in this desert for 20 years for the one who deserves to be the owner of the lamp. The lamp found the person who deserves it. I have fulfilled my duty. My duties have been fulfilled. But I could not exact revenge. It is time to return to Baghdad. I won't spare the person who ruined my life. I will not rest until I avenge my wife's murder. I will not rest until I avenge my wife's murder.
I don't have any family nor any friends. I don't have any wife or there is no spouse. My story is full of pain. Oh my goodness, I am tired of this madness.
Here I'm trying to find a way out of this desert, and you are singing right there.
Just to make you happy, my master Aladdin, you must have heard the name.
My name is Aladdin. Just Aladdin.
I'm also saying the same. Master Aladdin, you must have heard the name.
Aladdin, don't get angry and find a way out of here. That decent man gave me 10,000 coins just to get this fool. Why? It's the fault of that decent man. He should have warned me that I will find him in the lab. At least I would have gotten earplugs for my ears.
Master Aladdin, you must have heard the name. Can I do it?
What?
Practice. I haven't practiced for 500 years. I wish to sing. I don't have any family nor any
Puntu
friends.
is dead now. If people are
I
going
am
to use
not
this in the
anyone's
coming future,
husband
then
or
it will
know
make their
anyone's
lives miserable
spouse.
even more.
I don't have any
For God's
family
sake,
nor
just
any
stay
friends.
quiet. The screams of a
I
person
am
in
no
pain will
one's
be far more
husband or
melodious
I
than
don't
your
have
song.
any spouse.
Stay quiet,
My
keep
story
quiet.
is
Come on,
full of
man.
pain and pain. Oh my goodness. Why?
I can listen to the annoying crow and also the noises of a donkey, but I cannot just tolerate your song.
Do I sing so bad?
Yes, you sing so bad. You sing so bad that I'm unable to find a way out of here.
But where is the Puntru?
What should I... Hey, where's the Puntru? It was just here. Where did the Puntru disappear? Oh my God.
Puntru? Puntru?
We have lost the Puntru. How will I now go to Baghdad? Who is gonna guide me to that way?
Brother-in-law, you got rid of Omar quite smartly. Wonderful.
Isn't it weird that the journey I had started by killing an honest man like Omar, I shall end the same journey by killing a traitor,
Oh God. Who will you kill now, brother-in-law?
the Black Thief.
The Black Thief? But brother-in-law, he's going to get the lamp for you, right?
He will have to die. He knows about the magical lamp. And if he learns about the genie, he will pose a problem for us. Let him come to the palace. After he hands over the lamp to me, my hungry crocodiles will devour him. And after his death, there will be no one to stop me. Those annoyed with inflation, the common people, will certainly revolt against the king of Baghdad. And I shall take advantage of the situation and become the king. Yes.
What about his army brother-in-law?
The king certainly has an army. But the one who's going to come to me will be more powerful than thousands of armies. The other name of fear. The magical lamp that holds the genie. Ha!